What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. King Liado. Today we're gonna change one of them ignition coil, and I hope that's the real issue because the car been shaking, and which I don't get. I've changed all 6 of the ignition coils, right? And then the spark plug, and that's haven't been even a year ago, but now it's already. Mechanics said one of them is bad because it was shaking and stuff. The car was shaking, losing power and all that. The turbo sensor showed up and all that. So we're gonna try and see what's going on. I'm gonna try to change it, but first I'm gonna have to take the battery off. So you need a 10 millimeter. So now I disconnect the battery. So now let's take the cap off. First thing first, we're gonna get that I think I have to get the oil cap off first. Let me see. No need to. So as you guys can see, if you're looking at the coil part, you can tell they're brand new, right? You can tell they're brand new, but now the thing is, I need the one in the middle right here, which is bank 2. That's the one they told me that is bad. That one. So I'm gonna get that one out. Let's see what we're gonna need. Alright guys, so we're looking at the bank 2 That's the coil pack. Now I'm gonna try to get it out. So the way you get it out is by pulling the red. It's by pulling the red. I gotta be careful. Pull it out. I think you have to push the all right, this is the new one. I'm gonna put it in now, and then that's the old one. Now hopefully that's the same thing, because you gotta look at this in there. There's like three little pin, right? This one have it too, but hopefully it's the same part, man. Then there go the placement. Okay. So we gotta put it back in there. So now I'm gonna put the bolt. Alright, right now I'm gonna connect the plug, but after that I'm gonna show you guys something, right? I'm trying to connect this. So it's in. Alright, so it's in all that. So now we done put it in. I'm gonna put everything back on. And then I'm gonna go inside and then see if it was the issue. But now let me show you guys something. When you go to the mechanic, sometimes they can be cheap, right? Cheaper than the other ones, but that's some foul crap they do, man. Like here. I don't know if you guys can see. If you notice here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's cracked. The sensor is cracked. It's like they were fighting with it and they broke the sensor. You know? I feel like if I went to a professional, they wouldn't do that, man. They wouldn't do it like that. But anyway, I'm gonna put everything back on and then I'm gonna start it up, see if that was really the issue, because that's what I've been told. Alright guys, so as you guys can, I don't know if y'all probably might not be able to notice it, but it's not shaking, okay? And then when I press on the gas, it's not shaking, okay? So that's a good sign. I know the check engine light is still on, but it's gonna take time, a little bit of time, for it to go away on its own when it's realizing that there's a new coil pack, ignition coil, you know. So I haven't go test drive it yet, but I think it's good. I think maybe that was the issue. So I'm gonna test drive it and then I'm gonna keep you guys updated, man. So yes, so if I had the scanner thing, I could have cleared the coils, but right now it's look like it's doing good. Maybe that was the issue. So let me know what you guys think, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. So this is how you change your coil pack on the 2016 Ford Explorer. Even though I didn't change all 6 of them, but I only needed the bank 2. All right, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out.